In problem number 10, we will identify our front view, or what we're going to see as our front view from our isometric view here. So I'm going to view this plane and this small plane here. Don't forget about these. So I'm going to identify this is plane A, this is plane AA. I'm going to rotate to the right-hand side, and there's a few of them now. The small one I'm going to call plane B. The one that looks like an arch I'm going to call plane BB. And the one that is solid, 3 blocks across above it, I'm going to call triple B. Now to mark the top, you'll have to rotate back to the front view, then up to the top. So I'm going to call this small one block C, CC, and triple C. Let's move to our multi-view projection. I'll start in the lower left-hand corner for the front view, which is right there. Count your blocks carefully. Don't forget about plane A right beside it. And be careful what lines you fill in here. So we should still maintain the shape of plane AA and plane A. If I move to my right side view, I'll skip a block to the right. That is this point right here, the lower left-hand corner of BB, and I can count my blocks. I'm looking at a number of different shapes here, so I have to be careful with all of them that I'm drawing. You can either draw them out one at a time, or you can draw them out all at once. What I'll do for this one is I'll draw them out one at a time. I'll draw in plane B. Then I'll draw plane BB. And then plane BBB. Don't forget to label. Onto the top view. From the front view, come up a block, put a dot. Remember, we're going to the rotate in your isometric view as you look at it to the front view. From there, rotate to the top view. Go to the lower left-hand corner and carefully count your blocks. Remember that C is not in the corner. It's actually, as we look down from the top, kind of in the middle on the right-hand side. Don't forget to label it. Problem number 10 is done.